Okay, so good day everyone and welcome back to Aza Digital. I know it has been a while since I last uploaded a video, but this is another tutorial. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gradient in Blender in case you want to make something like probably like let's see, what can you use a gradient for? Probably like you're making a plane or an image or something like that. You need to interchange with like two different colors. Today's tutorial is going to be for you, so let's get right into it. I'm going to press A. I'm just going to delete everything. I'm going to import in a mesh, just a monkey, because that seems like the simplest thing for this. So just going to smooth this up a bit, and we're going to come into our shader editor, which is where we're going to do everything. And we're just going to come into shader editor. I'm going to create a new material for the monkey, which will show up here in the material here. So we're just gonna zoom in a bit right here. Sorry for the so we're just gonna zoom in a bit, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a texture coordinates. We're gonna add in this somewhere there. We're also gonna add in mapping. Then what we're gonna need to do for the for us to be able to switch between the gradients is we're gonna need to add in a color ramp. So let's just search for color ramp. Yeah. So what this basically does is like this color ramp is what's gonna be the most important right here, because this is what will enable us to be able to switch from different colors. So first things first, we're gonna connect this from generated to vector. We're going to connect our vector to FAC. So as that works, if I was to go into our material preview, just for us to be able to see the material, the black and white line is shown now, but if I was to bring the black all the way over here, and if I was to connect the color to our base color right here, give that a moment, as you can see, it loads in the black color. But if I was to bring it back right here, you can see that it switches between black. The top part is white and the bottom part is black. So if I was to just change the color of the black a bit, something like let's just give this green, and let's just make the bottom part something like red. If I was not to bring this somewhere here like this, and I also bring this like this, as you can see, we get some kind of like orangey color. But what is going on right now is that the effect is not the gradient is happening in all directions of the monkey. It's happening on the y-axis, the x-axis, and the z-axis. What if you just wanted the gradient only to happen on the z-axis? I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. So first things first, we're gonna press Shift A, then separate X, Y, Z. So generally what this does is that this helps us in separating the gradient into different axes. If I was to connect this, if I was to just drop this here, and you can see, as you can see, it only happens on the x-axis. You see, this is the x-axis, so it happens on the left part and the right part. And if I was to just, instead of the x-axis, I just connected this to the y-axis, you can see the gradient happens here and here. And let's connect this to the z-axis. You see, it only happens up and down. So that's how it works. So that's the end of today's tutorial. And guys, if you want more tutorial like this, just more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, sayonara.